As the Prime Minister performed puja at the residence of Chief Justice of India last week, many in the opposition raised questions over the move. The opposition believed Prime Minister's interaction with Chief Justice of India is essentially compromising the integrity and independence of the judiciary. Today, the Prime Minister responded to the opposition, addressing a rally in Bhubaneswar. The PM said there are some in the opposition who were irked by his Ganesh Puja because such power-hungry forces are hell-bent on dividing the society and the country.
भाई और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
Meanwhile, the BJP has further sharpened its attack on the opposition. BJP claims Congress and the rest of the opposition never actually had a problem with the Prime Minister's interaction with Chief Justice of India, but only had a problem with his puja, and such statements were made only to appease a certain vote bank.
वोट बैंक के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी किस प्रकार का हिंदू विरोधी चेहरा अपना सकती है, इसका एक और परिचायक तब मिला जब उसके पूरे इकोसिस्टम ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया जाकर गणेश पूजा करने का विरोध किया। विरोध प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया से मिलने का नहीं था, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी वो कई बार मिले हैं। जब प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह अपने घर पे इफ्तार पार्टी रखते थे और उसमें चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया आते थे, तब वो सेकुलर माना जाता था। पर आज जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के घर पे गणेश पूजा के लिए गए, तो गणेश पूजा का विरोध किया गया और उद्धव सेना से लेकर कांग्रेस के इकोसिस्टम ने किया।
We have Pragya joining us in the broadcast with more details. Pragya, today the Prime Minister himself has hit back and has drawn a parallel between the individuals who are opposing to that of the British Raj.
Well, Swati, we need to understand few things here. One is that Prime Minister is attacking Congress and ecosystem and attacking on their beliefs, basically saying that they are anti-Hindu religion. This is the Ganesh Puja that they had criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now Congress has come out and said that they have no problem with Ganesh Puja, but they have problem with Prime Minister arriving at CJI's residence to do that Ganesh Puja. However, BJP is also saying that you can contrast it with the iftar party that Manmohan Singh had hosted, where the then CGI had participated. Now, if Congress says that there is a difference between CGI going to a Prime Minister residence and Prime Minister coming to CGI residence, this is doubly damning for the Congress party, because if CGI goes to the Prime Minister residence, this shows that Prime Minister has power over CGI. But here, Prime Minister has come at the invitation of CGI to do the Ganesh Puja. But more so, there is political angle behind this, for the simple reason that Maharashtra is a poll-bound state, and nobody should forget that Ganesh Puja is huge and big, and people have faith in Ganesh Chaturthi, as they celebrate it with much fanfare wherever the Maharashtrians are across the country. They have this deep belief about Lord Ganesha, and if you heard this, religious sentiment of the people, this also will harm your political ambitions as well. This is the reason why this particular incident has been dragged up by the opposition, is what BJP believes. Right. And BJP will continue to believe that there is a historical background to this Ganesh Puja, which Congress is also missing out. And in fact, as the Britishers were against Ganesh Puja, Congress and its affiliates to our ecosystem.
Let's once again play out Prime Minister's reaction.
भाई और बहनों, बांटो और राज करो की नीति पर चलने वाले अंग्रेजों की नजरों में उस समय भी गणेश उत्सव खटकता था। आज भी समाज को बांटने और तोड़ने में लगे सत्ता के भूखे लोगों को गणेश पूजा से परेशानी हो रही है। आपने देखा होगा कांग्रेस और उसके इकोसिस्टम के लोग पिछले कुछ दिनों से इसलिए भड़के हुए हैं क्योंकि मैंने गणपति पूजन में हिस्सा लिया था।
Pragya continues to be with us. First, the leaders of the BJP and now the Prime Minister himself saying it's not about the PM going to the CJI's house. It's more about the Prime Minister performing Ganpati Puja. That's why the opposition is irked. Stay on with us, Pragya. Let me, in fact, go across to Rashid Alvi first. Rashid Alvi, thank you very much for joining us. The Prime Minister has today responded to the opposition targeting him for performing Ganesh Puja at CJI's residence. He says, first of all, he's equating all those who oppose to British Raj, and then he says the problem is actually with Ganesh Puja.
Actually, our Prime Minister is a very competent person to turn any truth to a false thing. We don't mind if our Prime Minister performs every day Ganesh Puja. Nobody will stop it. Important question. Objectionable thing is he has gone to the house of Chief Justice of India. He has given a wrong message to this country that Chief Justice of India can do whatever he wants to get done through Chief Justice of India. This is the problem. Problem is judiciary should be absolutely
But when iftar parties are organized, and that has been done by previous prime ministers, and the CJI visits and attends those parties, is that when judiciary is not compromised, Mr. Rashid Alvi? That is one of the counters.
Listen to me. When there is a iftar party, it was a different occasion. As far as this program is concerned, Chief Justice of India had invited him. He went there and he gave this message. You know, for last 10 years we are observing this judge is being appointed governor of any state, someone is being appointed member of Rajya Sabha. And you know what is happening in this country. You know, Article 50 of the Constitution, very specific. Just go through Article 50. Article 50 says executive should be absolutely separate from judiciary.
But then there should be no meet and greet anywhere, isn't it?
Hello?
Mr. Rashid Alvi, then you're saying there should be no such meet and greet.
No, actually, do you not think that it is objectionable if Prime Minister going to attend any program at the residence of
Right,
Chief
so
Justice
Prime Minister
of
going to
India?
the CJI's residence is objectionable, but like I said, in the past when iftar parties have been organized and the CJIs have gone to the Prime Minister's residence, that is not objectionable. That's an event that the CJI is attending.